Hello friends, welcome to my channel online learning website. Today we discuss the objective question of miscellaneous questions in topic national and international organization based. Those are very important for your examination perspective. The first question is that the first Earth Summit was held at. The first Earth Summit was held at. The right answer is Rio de Janeiro. Question number 2. Where was the fifth BRICS Summit hosted by the South Africa in March 2013? The right answer is Durban. Question number 3. The headquarters of which one of the following organization is not in the Geneva is the Food and Agriculture Organization. Next question, question number 4. Which country has been admitted in July 2013 as the 20th member of the European Union is the Croatia. Question number 5. Who was the first chairman of the SHARC? Is the late General H.M. Ershad. Question number 6. Which among the following is not a human right group? The right answer is the Greenpeace movement. Question number 7. The total number of judge of the International Court of the Justice ICJ is 15. Question number 8. The headquarters of the International Court of Justice is the Hague. The next question, question number 9. Question 9 is the International Atomic Energy Agency IAE was created under the aegis of the UN in 1957. Question number 10. India became a member of the United Nations is 1945. In which year human right resolution was adopted by the UN is 1945. Question number 12. Which one among the following is the first UN agency to accept Palestine as its full member in October 2011? The right answer is UNESCO. Question 13. The first Asian Secretary General of UNA was UN Thant. Question 14. On the 8th March 2013, the President of the India has released a commemorative postage stamp on the late Sahir Ludhianvi at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Ludhianvi was. The right answer is the widely acclaimed as a people poet. National Dairy Research Institute is located at Karnal. Question 16. The office of the UN General Assembly is in New York. Question 17. The International Criminal Police Organizations Interpol has headquarters at. The right answer is Paris. Question number 18. Red Cross was founded by J.S. Durant. When is the Commonwealth Day observed by its member countries? 24th May. When is the UN Day celebrated? 24th October. Which among the following is not an Asian country selected the UN Committee on Human Rights for 3 years team beginning January 1995? The right answer is Pakistan. Question 22. The headquarters of the Food and Agriculture Organization is in Rome. Which of the following countries is not a member of SHARC? The right answer is not a member of SHARC. That is Bangladesh, Pakistan, Bhutan. So SHARC members updated name is Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. These are the countries those are member in SHARC. Which country? Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. The next question is the headquarters of International Atomic Energy Agency is located in. The right answer is Vienna. The next question, Dr. Boutros Ghali, the Secretary General of UNA belongs to Egypt. Right answer is Egypt. Right answer is Egypt. Next question, which one among the following was a major decision taken at the 5th BRICS Summit held recently? The BRICS is the acronym coined to associate the five major emerging economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. These are the countries: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. And the BRICS members are known for their significant influence on regional affairs. And this right answer is, that is your establishment of a new development bank. The next question: the headquarter of UNESCO. What is the right answer is? And the UNESCO, the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization, is a specialized agency of the United Nations aimed at promoting world peace and security through international cooperation in education and the science and the culture, and headquarters are in Paris. The next question: SAARC was founded in. The right answer is SAARC, that is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperations, and in Dhaka. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation is the regional intergovernmental organization and geopolitical union of states in South Asia. Its member states are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, and the Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. And dated founded is 8 December 1985, and geographic scope is Southern Asia. Next, the International Court of Justice is located at. The next question is: the international township built near Pondicherry in India in collaboration with UNESCO is called. The right answer is Auroville. Question 30. The International Court of Justice is located at. The right answer is Hague. The International Court of Justice, sometimes known as a World Court, and is one of the 6 principal organs of the United Nations. It settles disputes between the states in accordance with the international law and gives advisory opinions on international legal issues. And the judge term length is 9 years and founded on 26 June 1945, San Francisco, California, US. Establishment in 1945, and the location is The Hague, Netherlands. Number of positions is 15. Next question: the logo of which of the following, and next question, that UNO was founded at San Francisco, and the logo of which of the following famous organizations is a giant panda, that is World Wildlife Fund for Worldwide Fund for Nature, that is WWF. The next question, question 33: which of the following are the UNESCO recognized World Heritage Sites? Is first, that is Caves of Ajanta; second, Temple and Caves at Ellora; and third, Bandhapas of Mahabalipuram. Question 34: which of the following Asian language are UN official language? Is Chinese and Arabic. Question 35: which of the following countries is not a member of the UN? Is the Cambodia. Question 36: consider the following statement is that first, the 5th summit of BRIC 2013 was held in Durban; second, Dr. Manmohan Singh became the only head of the state head of the government to attend all BRIC summits; and the third, that is the theme of 5th summit BRICS was BRICS and Africa Partnership for Development, Integration and Industrialization. Question 37: the International Court of Justice was established in the year 1946, and the name summit which demanded expansions of the United Nations Security Council had met at is the Jakarta. Pakistan, which rejoined the Commonwealth, had pulled itself out in the year, that is 1972. The Human Development Report 2013 UNDP does not focus is the peace and security. Question number 41. The Bali Ministerial Declaration and the ministerial decision that were adopted on the 7th December 2013 contain several issues. Which of the following are related to the least developed countries? Right answer is 1 and 3 only. That means 1. Preferential rules of origin for least developed countries, and third, duty free and quota free DFQF market access for least developed countries. Question 42. The United Nations declared 2006 as the International Year of Rice. 43. Veto power is not possessed by West Germany. Question 44. The main body of the United Nations organized is the General Assembly. Question 45. Where is the headquarters of Amnesty International? Is the London. 46. Which of the following is used by the International Court of Justice in disputes concerning riparian rights, that is Reykjavik Agreement? 47. Which of the following is the only member of the G15 from the Indian subcontinent? Pakistan. 48. The International Human Rights Convention adopted by the United Nations in 1990 relates to children's. Question 49. United Nations adopted a Charter of Economic Rights in the year 1974. Question 50. Which of the following establishment at the Bretton Woods Conference in 1944? That is right answer is IMF. Thanks for watching and sharing.